I was making beat for my YouTube channel that recently started to get some recognition. It was 11 p.m. at night. I had to wake up at 6 a.m. next day. I still had beat to finish, still had homework from school to do, and the worst part is that I didn't even like this beat, okay? I thought that this melody is not good. I was sure that mix is not proper, that these drums sound off. I had to do a lot of tweaking with mixing, and after finishing this beat, I just thought this is not good. I just thought that I'm fulfilling my YouTube channel, my YouTube schedule with trash beat at this point. It was 2.5 years ago, and this beat is right now the most popular beat on this channel. This is one of the most popular beats I've ever made. This beat was used by a lot of artists, and for some of them, the song with this beat was the most popular song in their career. This beat made me 20k views on this one beat and let my channel really blew up. It let me make hundreds of thousands of views. This beat also made me hundreds of dollars by itself, not even mentioning its influence on my whole business. This is basically one of the most important beats I've made in my life, one of the most important things I've made in my life. I'm Mordalski and I will help you make your first K selling beats. I would like to use this story to explain you why you should never judge your beats and what is actually the proper approach to think about quality of your beats and how to not waste chances, as I could not posting this beat and not being here right now, not making money from producing, generally wasting a lot of potential in my music. So I want to give you quick lessons coming from this story at first. We are not really able to judge our own stuff. We are too much biased by process of creating music, okay? We are too biased with thinking that this drum is this thing, that, for example, we think that this sound is really spectacular, this one sound is really big because it was in our mind, but for listener that just looks at the beat for a few seconds, this thing cannot matter. And the other way around it, this one delay sound that we don't even care about while mixing and producing can be crucial part for somebody listening to it. So my point is, never try to judge your beats, your own beats, okay? Judging your beats is job of people that are not you, your friends, maybe like rappers that you work with, maybe some other people generally. Don't try to judge your beats by yourself because you are not objectively right in your judgment. You are never objectively right in your judgment usually. The second point is, nobody really knows what kind of beat goes viral, what kind of beat can get you a sale, what kind of beat will just make you more popular, okay? Really, Metro Boomin, if you could ask Metro Boomin about opinion on your beats, he still couldn't predict if your beat goes viral, if your beat doesn't go viral, okay? So even if you want to ask people about opinions, you can have their opinions in mind, but don't think that if some people don't like your beat, it doesn't mean that other people will not love your beat, okay? You can never predict if your beat is good or is bad. And don't try to do that. You will not know if your beat is good till the moment where you upload it, you try to sell it, you try to show it to people. Then you will know for sure if beat works or if beat doesn't work. Even though I'm experienced with this story of my most popular beat on channel, I made the same mistake. I made this one beat literally 1 year ago from now. It was for 1 year straight in my files and I didn't post it to internet, to Instagram, YouTube, anything. I haven't even sent it out in packs for 1 year straight. I'm sending a lot of packs in emails and DMs. I haven't sent it to one single artist till this one girl told me that she likes Jersey Club beat because it was Jersey Club beat, and I thought, yeah, I could try, maybe it's not that bad. She loved it like ridiculously instantly. Usually artist has to get a little attachment to the beat for a few hours, maybe weeks, but she just loved it from the beginning. She sent me money for license for this beat like instantly, like literally few hours after hearing the final version of beat. So yeah, and I still had it for 1 year straight in my files. Right now I'm trying to market this beat on YouTube and stuff, maybe because it just dope beat, so I'll probably make more money with that. I was even recently on concert This is right now the most successful song on the album, because this song with this beat went on the album. This is the most popular song on the album. And also, like, I just was on concert of release party of this album, and people just loved it. People were literally posting stories about this beat, that for example, this intro is so beautiful. So yeah. And I thought, literally, I was for months and months, for years straight, I thought this beat is not good enough to be used. So bro, don't just have this in mind, okay? And I also started to post this kind of stuff on my Instagram. There are some producers following me already. You can follow me as well. Link in the description, by the way. So yeah, and I started making stories about it, that yeah, this beat, I thought that this beat was awful and I made money. Yeah, a lot of producers reached out to me and told me, yeah bro, that's basically the same. My most successful stuff was, I just didn't believe in my most successful stuff. It's case for literally most of producers, that our most popular stuff are things that we don't believe in, that we just think that is bad, but 99% of people think it's dope. Okay, so this is not case for me, this is case for all of us, okay, for all the producers who make good beats, by the way, who are in game for longer than a few days, okay? So stop thinking about your beats too much, stop judging them too much, stop even like asking people about opinions if your beat is good, if your beat is ready to sell. No, just go post your beats to the internet, go show it to specific artists, send it out in packs, post it to YouTube, post it to Instagram, and then we'll know if your beat is really good. Because if people will buy it, if people will use it, it means that yeah, your beat is good. And if it doesn't, it means that maybe it's not. I'm Mordalski. If you want to get more advice from me, you can just subscribe me here on YouTube and also follow me on Instagram, link in the description. You can also actually book a call with me, so just DM me call on Instagram. That's all for today. Bye.